One bright morning in the heart of Chichen Itza, Mexico, Quill, the cautious griffin, and Pip, the playful squirrel, arrived at the ancient pyramid called El Castillo. Excitement buzzed in the warm air, for today was the spring equinox, a special day for magic. Quill and Pip had heard tales of El Castillo, a temple dedicated to Kukulkan, the serpent god. Every spring and autumn equinox, the sun cast a shadow shaped like a giant snake down the pyramid's steps. But something was wrong. As the sun slid lower, no snake appeared. The magical shadow of the serpent was missing, casting a pall over the joyous day. Concerned, without the serpent's shadow, the balance between sun and rain could be upset, Quill said with concern. Determined, we must find out why it's missing. Just then, a burst of brilliant colors fluttered nearby. It was Kiki, a quetzal bird, her feathers shimmering in blues, greens, and reds. Hello, friends! I've been watching carefully, and I know what's wrong. The sunstone is out of place. Quiqui explained that the sunstone, a special stone at the very top of El Castillo, had tilted. The sun's light was no longer hitting the pyramid right, causing the shadow serpent to disappear. Concerned, but how can we fix the sunstone? Pip wondered aloud, twitching his whiskers with concern. The answer lies in a puzzle carved at the pyramid's base, Kiki said, flapping her colorful wings. Excited, it's a Mayan number puzzle! Quill examined the stone carvings closely. The Mayan numbers look like dots and lines, fascinating, yet tricky. Thoughtful. Being cautious and thoughtful, Quill carefully decoded the symbols one by one. This is amazing, he said. The numbers tell us the order to press the stone buttons. Pip and Quill looked at the big stone buttons arranged in a row. Some were round, others were square. Together they counted and pressed each button in the right sequence, just as the puzzle directed. As they worked, Kiki cheered them on. Suddenly, the sunstone shimmered and shifted, sliding back into place at the pyramid's peak. Just in time! The afternoon sun began to cast its glow perfectly. Slowly, a shadow appeared on the pyramid steps. It started at the top and slithered down like a giant serpent made of light and shadow. Quill, Pip, and Kiki watched in awe. The magical shadow of Kukulkan had returned. The Griffon's crew felt proud and happy. As the cool breeze whispered through the trees, Kiki shared fun facts. Chichen Itza was a large city built by the Maya people. The temple you see, El Castillo, honors the serpent god Kukulkan with this special shadow show. Pip twitched his whiskers excitedly. And the 365 steps mean the pyramid is like a giant calendar, one step for every day of the year. Quill smiled warmly. Today we help bring back an ancient magic. It reminds us how important it is to listen, think carefully, and work together. With the serpent shadow alive once more, the Griffon's crew knew the balance of sun and rain was safe, thanks to curiosity, friendship, and Mayan magic. As the sun began to set, Kiki flapped her colorful wings, and the friends promised to return another day, ready for their next adventure. The end.